everyone, this is Serious Monkey and welcome to my very first PS5 tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to set up a live stream directly from a PS5, including audio from your voice chat as well as video from your camera. Let's get started. First, you want to link your PS5 to your YouTube or Twitch account. In order to do so, go to the Settings menu, select Users and Accounts, and under Link with Other Services, choose your preferred streaming platform. This only has to be done once and shouldn't take more than a couple of minutes. Simply follow the steps on the screen. Next, press the PS button to go to the control center and choose your preferred mic. I use an external USB microphone, but you can also use the DualSense controller built-in microphone or the one of your headset. Microphone check. Microphone check. If you don't have a PS5 camera, I suggest you jump to the next chapter of this video. If you do though, this is how you connect it. Simply go to the Settings menu, select Accessories, then Camera, and press Adjust HD Camera. Hit OK, and again, follow the steps on the screen. Now, let's configure the stream. Go to the Settings menu again and scroll all the way down to Captures and Broadcasts. On the Broadcasts, select Video Quality and choose the resolution and frame rate of your stream. Generally, the better your internet connection, the higher you can go. On the camera, you can change the size of the image, apply effects, and more. In Overlays, choose whether to show new comments and viewers on your live stream. The following 3 steps are very important if you want your microphone audio to be heard in the stream. First, go once more to Captures and Broadcasts, select Captures, Video Clip Format, and be sure that your mic's audio and voice chat audio are included. Second, head back to Broadcasts, select Audio and make sure that voice chat audio is enabled. The third step has to be followed by you and by your friends in the party chat. Press the PS button to go to the control center and select your current voice chat. Head over to the 3 dots on the right hand side and press Settings. Here, you and your friends need to allow your voice to be shared. Now that you're all set, simply start any game. Press the Create button on your controller and head over to Broadcast in the bottom right corner. Set the title of your stream and press on the 3 dots if you want to have another look at the broadcast options that we have adjusted before. If everything is okay for you, go back, select Go Live and press Yes, since you want your voice chat audio to be included. Once you're live, a notification will appear on the top right corner and you will have to adjust the position of your camera image. And we're done. Let's move over to my Twitch channel to see the results. The stream is now up and running, including my voice. If you and your friends follow all the steps, it should work for you as well. And that's about it for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. For any question or suggestion, please refer to the comment section below. Thank you for watching.